So imagine you're involved in a dive accident, you need medical care, you get the bills, you get the expenses for that. Hopefully your medical insurance will help cover some of that, and on top of that, if you own dive accident insurance, maybe it doesn't hurt your wallet quite as much. But an area that really could hurt your wallet is the fact that because of that dive accident, you lost out on the entire cost of your vacation, your dive trip, and all of the expenses that are surrounding that to get you back home safely or to get your gear back home safely. That cost me many thousands of dollars. And so today we're going to talk about, on top of dive accident insurance, why we as scuba divers who travel a lot should consider travel insurance and what that would do for us. Welcome to Everything Scuba. Hey guys, what is happening? Welcome back to Everything Scuba. I am Lyell. We're continuing our series talking to representatives from Divers Alert Network, and in this episode we're going to talk about travel insurance. Sounds kind of snoozy boring, right? Well, it's not so boring when you're the one that's actually involved in an accident, you're taken to hospital, you lose your entire trip, and then you realize, oh, wait a second, I just lost the cost of my entire trip. And maybe then you're going to have to pay to get home. And then maybe you're going to have to pay to get your gear home on top of that. Travel insurance may give you some extra protection above and beyond your dive accident insurance to help you get back the dollars that you lost if you are involved, which hopefully you never are, involved in an accident or a mishap of that variety. So today we're going to talk to Angela Williams, another representative from the fine organization known as Divers Alert Network, or DAN, and she is going to talk to us about their travel insurance products. Once again, quick disclaimer, we're not being paid or supported in any way by DAN. They have provided us access to their employees to talk to us through Everything Scuba, so we can give you some more information about their organization and the products that they offer for the benefit of scuba divers. So Angela, welcome to Everything Scuba, and much like the rest of our programs, we're going to jump right into questions and not waste any time. Can you tell us about some of the other products that DAN offers that helps to protect divers in regards to travel insurance?
You have two options that you can choose with our travel insurance. It could be our per trip, that is for single trips. And then also you can choose our annual travel insurance that can be for 2, 3 or more trips that you continuously do throughout the year.
So if I own dive accident insurance, what will travel insurance cover that it won't?
You would want to purchase travel insurance for those additional events that may happen on your trip and do not fall under coverage for dive accident insurance. So say for cancellation and interruption, you have coverage for adverse weather, sickness, injury, or death if it falls under you, a traveling companion or business partner, or a family member, as well as involuntary job loss under cancellation and interruption. You do have coverage for baggage if it's lost, stolen, or damaged. And then the one big concern that a lot of people are asking is, do we have COVID coverage? We do have that available to you if you, a traveling companion, or a family member test positive for COVID-19.
We know now that DAN is a global organization, and we have viewers that watch us from everywhere over the world on YouTube. Is DAN travel insurance offered in every country that DAN serves?
Travel insurance is only available, of course, for U.S. residents, but the benefit coverage is available in all countries where the U.S. has a diplomatic relation. If you reside outside of U.S. and Canada, please check with the DAN office that serves your region and see if coverage is available for you.
Where can dive travelers learn more about DAN's travel insurance products?
Dive travelers can go directly to our website at dan.org, and under membership and insurance, they can select travel insurance. And then they have the option of choosing our trip insurance or our annual travel insurance.
Once again, thank you to Angela Williams for taking the time today, and thank you to Divers Alert Network for giving us access to these great staff members who are giving us good information. On our next episode, if you are a dive professional, there is one essential piece of insurance that you need to carry, and that would be professional liability insurance. And that's what we're going to talk about on our next episode. Click the link down below me.